Hi, grade 7. Welcome to the lesson Physical Change and Chemical Change. Let's start with physical change. Any change in which the physical properties of a substance change, but the substance identity does not. So only the properties will change, not the identity of the substance. The substance will keep its own identity. Now, we will discuss some examples. We will start with weathering of rocks or breaking down of large rocks into smaller rocks. And these smaller rocks will break down again into smaller and smaller rocks and erosion of these smaller rocks to form sand. The second example is freezing of water into ice. We have also examples in industry, like turning of wood logs into another product which we can use from, like furniture, toothpicks, and musical instruments. Another example is formation of or turning of sugar cane into refined sugar to use at home. Now, how can we separate a mixture of sodium chloride and sulfur using only physical change? We will use the physical properties of sodium chloride and sulfur to separate them. First, sodium chloride will dissolve only in water. So we will dissolve the mixture in water and then we will filter the solution using a filter paper. Bingo, now we will have the sulfur in the filter paper. By evaporation of the solution, we will have the sodium chloride in the glass flask. Thank you.